Alright, I'm gonna play. I'm gonna not play. I'm gonna kill the Chaos Guardian. Watch. I have come prepared with my draconic bow, pickaxe, and sword, and a lot of safari nets because I will need them. And the goal for killing this thing is to get this chaos shards. These chaos shards, because the chaos shards are imperative to making infinite power, which is good because then I am infinitely powerful. So, let's do this. So, I already set up a portal to there. And this is what I have in my inventory. This is what I have in my knapsack. Just in case I lose everything, you know. I have a record of it. So yeah. I just took a portal to like 5,000 blocks away from there. And oh wait, I'm going the opposite way. To the Chaos Dragon. Ooh. Why do I think I can kill this thing? Because I'm the best at everything humanly possible. So what I'm gonna do with these safari nets, because when you kill the things that regenerate the dragon, they respawn after a little bit. But if I use this, they don't come back. So yeah, I just made a bunch because I don't know how many there are. And in case I have any extra, I'll just capture Jamari. Anyway, let me see if I'm going as fast as I can. Yeah, I am. Alright, guys. I'm coming back now. I'm back. So let's go kill the Chaos Dragon. So I have my sounds on. I really don't remember what I was looking up here. If I was looking anything up. Thank you, John, for this draconic flux capacitor, because this is going to be the reason why I'm able to stay alive, hopefully. So, yeah. Okay. This is the outer edges of the Chaos Dragon fight. There's like a lot of draconium if you just look around. Can't find any right now. Alright. Any last things that I need to change? Magical sense on. Night vision on. Lock flight, I need to keep that on. This is all good. I need more vertical acceleration. Move speed modifier, it's all the way up. Jump height modifier, all the way up. Base damage, highest. Arrow velocity, the highest. Auto fire on, magnification. I'm lowering that. Okay, we're ready. Whoa, 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 what in the world is that thing doing? Okay. Okay, so what do I do with these things? So I collect one, boom, I have one of the things. I'm avoiding all of his fireballs. Can't even touch me. Alright, I got two. Oh my gosh! Holy crap, that's a lot! Oh my gosh! Alright. Gotta stay focused, because there's a lot of these. Okay. Run away. I already have 3. Oh my gosh. Well, now I see what I died to before. That's another one. Come on, give me one. Give me one. No. Okay. Oh my gosh. You need to be moving like super fast for this. Alright. Alright. I got 3 more. I have a bunch more left to use. So, oh my gosh. Holy crap. He's just like rapid fire. He's literally machine gunning these things out. I wish you guys could hear this. It's literally like a machine gun. I'm serious. Okay, so I got all of these. I got one of these. I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 more to go. Oh my gosh. I thought I had more than enough. Clearly, I was mistaken. I'm scared that if I kill one of these... Oh my gosh. I'm scared that if I break one of these, I'll get like 1 shot. So I just won't. Leave me alone, man. Come on. Oh! Scared me. Okay. We're fine. There we go. So, we filled all of these up. Oh, what is those? What are... I don't want to find out what those blue things are. Alright, where is he? Because he's disappearing a lot. Oh my gosh. Okay. This island looks pretty cool. Your attack is blocked by the Guardian's crystals? Wait, so I can't even damage him until I break all of them? Oh gosh, okay. Okay, that's 1. Oh my, he just keeps firing them. Alright. That's 2. That's 3. Oh my gosh. Get me out. I'm at half a heart. Oh my gosh, get me Get me out. How did I just live that? At half a heart? It said warning, critical damage. Oh, wait, why is he following me? Okay, I need to let my armor recharge. Oh my gosh, this boss is like not going to be easy by any means. Oh my gosh. Alright, well, I'm gonna have to go back and make more safari nets, so my gosh, if he'll ever... Okay, I'll be back. So yeah, I will be back with them. Just so that it doesn't look like I'm cheating, I want you to see how I'm getting my gas tiers to make the safari net. So to make safari nets, you need this, and I ran out of gas tiers. And I think I need at least 10 more of these things if I want to kill the guy. So right now I'm inside of the Twilight Forest. I'm inside of this Ergast mansion, and these are mini ghasts, but they drop gas tiers as well. So I'm just farming them right now. I made 3, so I'm gonna probably have like 13, and hopefully that's enough. I'm not sure, but yeah, we'll see. Alright, I got everything, so I'm gonna just go and do it now. Alright, so we're almost at the stronghold now. I think I can kill him, honestly. I don't see why not. I mean, he's the strongest boss in the entire game, but past that, I think I could take him, you know. Uh, so I left the portal here. So I made like the 8 more. So 8 plus 3 is a lot. And so yeah. Let's go back to fighting him. This time let's try not to get one shot. Alright, sorry about that. But we're gonna keep fighting now. Oh my gosh, where is this coming from? See, I like that he goes invisible, you know? He just goes straight up invisible. So I can't even tell where anything's coming from. And I can't even grab this. There we go. Okay. Oh. I got most of them. Did I really just place that one back? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, he's shooting a lot. Yeah, I did place this one back. Oh! Whoa. Why are they following me? Cool. This is cool. I like this. I think this is really fantastic. I'm so glad that his fireballs are, heat-seeking fireballs, and they never go away. Which ones do I have left? I have to get this one. Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm just gonna fly all the way out to where the fireballs can't get me. And I only have 4 things left, so let's hope that I have enough. Oh my gosh, it really followed me this far out. Alright. Whoa. I'm gonna die to these if I'm not careful. Oh, I didn't even grab that one. Grabbing them is tricky, but I can handle it. Okay, yeah, just machine gun it. Yeah, keep going. Yeah, keep going, that's cool. Alright, yeah, just don't stop. Yeah, no, this is cool. He's just gonna keep going. You don't have to stop, Chaos Dragon, it's fine. You can just keep going. For like ever. Is this actually gonna keep happening forever? Oh my... Alright, so hopefully my computer doesn't continue having memory issues. And I can just fight this. Oh, this guy's still going. I'm just gonna disconnect, I think. I think that he's not going to stop. I can't attack him because of the crystals, okay? And which crystal is left? There's that crystal, there's one. Oh, he stopped. Finally. There we go. Is this his last one? Did I place it down by accident? No, it's gone. So that's it. I should be able to damage him, right? No, there's still one over there. Oh, get away. Where is he getting healed from? Is he getting healed? Or can I damage him now? Oh my gosh. Let's see if I can hit him now. He flies way too fast. He's hitting me with some of these, but they're not doing really very much damage. Like, those blue things don't do a lot. Which I guess is pretty good. Where did he go? Oh! I can hit him now! That did